Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android template turn queue system special for Hyundai Santa Fe 2018 to 2020 years. Okay, you can check. Let me unbox review. This special harness and okay, you can check this head unit. Let me show harness it first. Okay, you can check this harness for New Year's 2018 to 2020 years. Okay, this canvas box. This camera input. This USB, this microphone. This AUX input, left and right. This GND wire, this K1 and K2 for steering wheel control. Usually this amplifier power AMP wire. Usually the steering wheel control is controlled by a canvas box. So you do not need to connect this GPS antenna. This screws, 4 screw, and 2 USB cable and external microphone. This connect to back of head unit, and this radio adapter, and this audio cable, this video out 1 and video out 2, this subwoofer, RC tab, and this audio out front and rear, left and right. Okay, this camera input adapter, this AUX input, left and right, and video input RC type. Okay, let me show head unit. It's plug and play. Okay, you can check this back of head unit. There are 2 SD card slots. 2 SD card slots. Okay, and the back. Okay, this power, this fuse, this GPS, this audio cable, this Wi-Fi antenna, this radio antenna. Okay, let me connect power. Okay, it shows Android 10 navigation system. Okay, you can check this front panel. Okay. Okay, let me show it. You can check this built-in microphone and the reset hole. This volume button and this radio. Click radio to search the radio stations. This next you can check. Next snap. Okay. It's mute on, and the home button. This DSP amplifier, volume, this radio, this Navy, built-in Google Maps. Okay, very fast response. Let me check the settings. PX6, you can check PX6. PX6 and Android 10 system. This Android one. Okay. Back. You can check the storage. It's total 64 GB. It's built-in Wi-Fi and supports 4G USB dongle. Car settings, personal settings, LED settings. You can change the button color. It's green, blue, any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, this is driver settings. Watch video you can turn on or turn off. Okay. This speed play for Android and Apple Carplay, already built in the system. It's built in YouTube and Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. DSP amplifier. EQ. Okay, that's all. Thank you.